In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photo in Canva resume. If you are updating your resume and want a clean professional headshot in the layout, I'll walk you through the exact process so it looks polished and intentional from start to finish. First, open your resume design in Canva. This can be a resume template you've already customized or a blank document you are building from scratch. If you are using a template, many already include a photo placeholder, which makes placement fast and consistent with the design. Next, upload your photo. On the left-hand menu, click Uploads, then select Upload Files and choose your photo from your computer or device. A quick tip here, a clear, well-lit headshot with a neutral background works best. Aim for a high-resolution image so it stays crisp when resized. Once your image is uploaded, add it to the design. If your template includes a photo frame, simply drag your photo from the Uploads panel straight onto that frame. It will snap into place automatically, filling the shape perfectly. If your design doesn't have a frame, click your uploaded photo to place it on the page. You can drag it to the spot you want and resize it by pulling the corner handles. Keep it proportionate so it doesn't look stretched. If you prefer a specific shape, like a circle or rounded rectangle, you can add a custom frame. Go to Elements, search for Frame and drag the shape you want onto your design. Then drag your photo into that frame and it will adapt to the shape. This is a great way to match the overall style of the template and create visual consistency. Now refine the placement. Click the image to reposition, resize, or crop until it looks just right. Double-clicking the photo inside a frame lets you adjust which part of the image is visible. Use the alignment guides to keep it lined up with your text columns and margins. A smaller well-placed photo near your name or header usually looks clean and professional. Make sure it doesn't overpower your contact information or push important content off the page. When everything looks balanced, it's time to export. Click Share, then Download, and choose the format you need, with PDF being the most common for resumes. Give it a quick review to confirm the image is sharp and aligned. That's it. Thanks for watching.